May iskinita din dyan.
Meron din, pag medyo low band din. Well, the point is,
or mas focused yung very specific audience.
Yan.
Narrow lang siya. No?
Anong panonoorin mo dyan?
Okay.
So, I guess, again, ang challenge natin today, if you're talking about multi-screen viewing and all, you need to have content that will push people to, hindi mo, alam ko ba sabihin ko sa nanay ko, Nay, manood ka ng Never Say Goodbye sa cellphone mo. Papatukan ako ng nanay ko, labo-labo na ng mata ko. But, if, for example lang, I think of an ending, for example, na medyo cliffhanger, at yung sagot o yung choice should be done on the cellphone, yung nanay ko, patay na doon sa show, and then, baka magpaturo bigla, anak, turuan. So, it has to be compelling.
So, nanonood siya ng TV, tapos, bago mag-commercial break, may tanong yan, pero, sa cellphone mo sasagutin.
Or tapos na yung episode, gusto mong malaman kung namatay ba, let's say, si Buboy o kung sino man. And you have to wait till tomorrow. But if you want to find out, you can check sa phone mo tonight. Or
pwede na.
Halimbawa, ganon. Di ba? So,
uunahan mo na yung TV. Ganon.
Hindi mo, uunahan mo, pero kailangan, pag pinanood nila the following day, may connection pa rin yung pinanood nila doon sa cellphone. But it has to be compelling. You cannot just say, here is a material available in
Plinano mo ba, Bong? Because I know your background. Plinano mo ba talaga na mag-direct ka ng events separate from pumasok ka sa TV, separate from ma-involve ka sa telecom? Kasi you are one of the few, I know, na you do live events, you know television, ngayon nasa radyo pa, and then you are in telecoms.
Hindi.
Pinano mo yun?
No, I guess all through God's good graces.
And you say good graces because it's put you in a very unique position.
Yeah.
Nakatulong sa'yo yun.
Yeah, ako, sorry.
Hindi ka nagkakaroon ng hindi ka schizophrenic na ang dami mong personality dahil hirap, parang ano ba to? Ngayon, telepono ngayon. Ano ba to? TV naman.
Hindi naman, because I've been blessed na kahit saan ako mapunta, ganun pa rin naman yung ginagawa ko eh. It's still content. You know? Now that I'm with Smart, I'm trying to develop content for them on ground, campaigns. One thing I want to share with people is you really have to trust God, because ako, sa career ko, parang 4 years ago, ano ginagawa ko sa telco? Di ba? Parang, I'm a media guy, but para pala matuto ko ng new media synergies, di ba? So, ngayon, nakita ko na yung,
so, ang tawag dyan, divine intervention.
Yan. God
nilagay ka niya dyan.
Will put you in places na you have to...
At sinama niya itong taong sa buhay mo. Ganon.
Definitely.
Lahat yun.
Definitely. Yun ang pinakamagandang nangyari sa buhay ko. Yep.
Okay, so God put you in a situation where you are ripe.
Yeah.
Diba? Prime with the industry. Kasi, yun ang gusto kong mangyari. Ginagawa ko na rin. You know, I'm on television, media, I'm in events. No?
Yes.
And I support what you're saying that content is king and there are different highways, and the one who's able to merge it properly, nasa tamang paraan, yan ang mananalo. Diba? Yun ang daan.
Yep.
More strategies and techniques and personal life dapat eh. And then, yung mga how you balance your time, mga ganyan.
Sige.
And then, yung mga gusto mag-artista at direktor, anong tips mo, di ba?
Sige.
Bong Agustin, Direct Bong Agustin after this break. Time check muna tayo. 9:30 na.
Magbago na ako, magbayloon ako, magaling ako sa lugar.
Magbago tayo sa Radyo 5, 92.3 News FM at Aksyon TV. Tikman mo na A Taste of Change sa Radyo 5, 92.3 News FM.
Welcome back to Magbago Tayo. Pagbati muna ng hello po. Binabati po namin ang aming mga katrabaho na si Nilda Cruzat, also known as NC. Happy birthday and God bless you from LAN 1 Data Control ng GDMC. Happy birthday. Good morning.
Happy birthday.
Good morning, Sir Anthony. I need advice. I had a hard time deciding if I will look for a new job to expand my horizon. I love my current job now, but financially wise, bitin. Please help me po. Thank you. From Ketty of Cavite. Well, kung mahal mo yung trabaho mo, kung papakawalan yan, di ba? There is such a thing as transitioning to a new job. There's also such a thing as complementing your current job. Maghanap ka ng sideline na pwedeng makatulong sa kikitain mo. But make sure it's based on the same passion at ayon sa kakayahan mo. Actually, dalawa yan eh. It's got to be both according to your ability and your willingness. Willingness and ability. Pag dalawa yan magkasama dun sa gagawin mong extra, dagdag yan. Diba? Kung hindi, magiging distraction yan. So if you love your current job, don't let it go. You can complement it with something else, part-time. Or if you want a better job, transition. Huwag mong papakawalan yung maganda na. Tumiming ka. Okay, Sir Anthony, please greet my husband, George, and kids. Name, John, Romina, and Alex. Congrats po sa mga anak ko na maraming awards nung DVBS nila. Okay, I love you from Mama MJ. Hello, good AM. Do you have schedules for Hip Pinas in Mindanao area, Cebu? Cebu, yes. We will announce that. Mindanao, not yet. Although I go to Mindanao regularly, kami po ni Maricel, for talks in Davao. Many of our events are in Davao. In fact, I'm flying to Davao this afternoon. Hello, blessed morning po. Please help me po. Son ko, broken-hearted, suicidal. Broken-hearted. Okay. Ano pong dapat gawin? Thanks so much. More power. God bless. Well, just by calling. Thank you. That means you're willing to support. The first S. You're willing to support. Hindi mo deny. Admitting the problem is 50% already of the solution. I would also suggest that you secure. Isa pang S yan. I-secure mo siya kasi kung talagang suicidal siya, wag mo siyang iiwanang mag-isa. You have to secure this person. And then seek support. Especially knowledgeable experts in this field. Kailangan lumapit kayo sa nakakaalam. In your local church, I'm sure, meron dyan na makakatulong sa inyo. But thank you very much for calling because you have done already the first best thing. So, support, secure, and then seek expertise to help you out. Just saw your show for the first time today, so great, 2 thumbs up. I want to attend the seminars and the Bible study as well. More power from Arcadia Marketing. Greetings po yan sa Facebook page natin. Another greeting, great show from Joe. First time, I want to follow you every Saturday. I will make it as a hobby listening to you every Saturday. Interested to attend seminars and Bible study, how to be part of it, please let me know. Well, we always attend our seminars and we give free slots. In fact, I'm giving you a free slot. O yan, Joe, meron ka na. May 29, end the run. Brand new. Mas lalo makikilala ang sarili mo. So, Joe Lags, can we just take note? You have a free slot from us May 29. That's worth 3,500. Oh, di ba? Isang text mo lang. My wife and I are ready for our weekly workshop, which is your show. This is from John Gamutan. This is part of our weekly bonding and bonding sila. Hindi perfect yung topic kanina. Nag-holding hands siguro kayo, no? And we always share healthy insights since we're in different industries. The application provides some interesting twists. So I'm watching Magbago Tayo. I'm learning a lot regarding the topic struggling for love. I have been separated for 3 years. Until now, I'm struggling for moving on myself. Well, thank you for listening. Sana nakatulong yung topic natin kanina. Good morning, po, Sir Anthony. I'm your avid listener. Very nice program. Mga text numbers lang to, ha? Walang mobile numbers lang to, walang pangalan. I learned a lot. Thank you for sharing, Rufa. Your topic today. You're the best. Oy, thank you. This is Joy from Valenzuela. Okay, quickly on screen, tinanong po namin, one new revelation. Okay, nababasa mo ba yung nakasulat doon? That with process, tama ba yan? All things are possible, tama ba? Process makes things possible. This was after a big seminar, direct. Diba? Nag-ARS tayo, Audience Response System. I just want to show them the results. Yung natutunan ng mga tao dun sa seminar, kapag maganda pala ang proseso, nothing is impossible. All things are possible with better process. Kasi kung minsan akala natin more effort Diba? Or even just more prayer. Importanteng prayer, importanteng effort. Pero kung minsan nasa proseso, nasa pamamaraan din ang pagbabago. And our quote for the day is from Napoleon Hill in the book 360 Leadership by John Maxwell. Ito yung tinuro natin kahapon eh. You can't change where you started, but you can change the direction you're going, Anna. It's now, it's not what you are going to do, but it's what you are doing now that counts. And you are here learning. Congratulations. Diba? That's from Napoleon Hill. So the present ulit, diba? No more baggages from the past. Makikinig ka kasi, diba? And no worries about tomorrow. Let's go back to Direk. Direk, I wanna show this short video.
And edit stuff. Hindi naman klaro kung ano yung kinukuha. You have
How do you know? How do you know? Kailangan alamin mo.
Kaya ka nga director eh. Unang-una, kailangan, like, eto, when you ask us to cover this, alam ko kung ano yung point na, like, come on, outline kayo, max it, stuff.
Okay.
I mean, you have to know what to do. You have, unang-una, you have to know what the objective is. To sino ba manonood? Okay?
Okay. So, ano bang layunin mo? Sino ba ang audience mo?
Yan. Kasi kung hindi, you could be making something, you spend so much effort, hindi mo naman natumbok, hindi mo nakunan or nailabas yung dapat mong ilabas. Two, hindi rin pala ma-appreciate o makakaintindi.
So, importante yung importante yung preparation.
Context,
no?
Preparation is important in anything you want to do.
Right. Anong sikreto para maging successful na artista? O yan ito mga questions of Direk Bong. Shoot nyo na sa akin.
Okay. Artista, well, can I share a very important tip? Ito,
sure.
Mahalaga to,
But I want as quick as answers
kung
as possible.
Kung ikaw nag-audition, tandaan mo na hindi ka nakukuha dahil magaling ka. Nakukuha ka dahil naaalala ka nung nagpa-audition sa'yo. So what I'm trying to say is, you have to keep in mind, when you walk into an audition room, you don't, kailangan magaling ako, kahit na lahat kayo nagsusubok maging magaling. Do something na kakaiba, na maaalala ka nung nagpa-audition.
Distinguish you from others.
Kasi, like, diba? when I conduct auditions, I see hundreds of faces in a day. When I close my eyes at the end of the day, iilan lang yung maaalala ko. Merong isa, ininis ako. Kahit inisin mo pa eh. Diba, basta tama lang yung discard.
Anong difference between a good host and a good artista?
Hosting, with all due respect to you, not because I'm guesting in your show.
Yeah.
Hosting is the toughest job in the whole world. Mahirap maging host.
Dahil?
Alam mo ba na pag nag-host ka, let's say, talk show like an Oprah, how many sets of ears do you have? You have to have at least 5. One listening to yourself, the other one listening to the one you're talking to. 2, listening to both of you talk. Listening to what the audience thinks. All of that while you're doing it live.
Right.
A lot of people think, madali lang mag-host, madadala ko. Wrong. You have to be a good listener. A very good listener and react to it properly.
Alam mo, I just learned something from you right now. Listen to yourself.
Oo, no? You have to. How can you think you do it?
Hindi ko ginagawa. Ginagawa ko yun, pero ngayon mo lang sinabi. Tama, no? Kasi dito, actually, buti nga si Oprah, 5 lang. Dito, 10. Dito 10.
Dahil?
I have to listen to you.
Okay.
I have to listen to Anna.
Okay.
Na ang daming mga dinidirect dyan on the side. No, I have to listen to our Facebook posts.
Yeah.
I have to listen to the one texting.
Yan, tama.
I have to listen to
to your director on your ears.
Yes, na may action breaking.
Yeah.
Tapos nagte-text si Maricel. Tapos nagti-tweet yung anak ko. Tapos nagbi-BBM si Ate Angeli.
Which is why, with all due respect, magaling ka, bro.
Listener.
I have to say that. You're a very good host, Anthony. And
thank you. So, listening. No? Pero ang ganda mo sinabi mo. Tama, no? Kailangan makinig ka rin sa sarili mo. Kasi you're editing, you're also, hindi, papakinggan ko pa to, di ba? Yeah. Mamaya na lang yan.
Tsaka, baka kala mo, ito maraming madadaldal na host, nonsense. Naku, po, ito na ako. Okay. Yung mga kaibigan ako na, kala nila nakakatawa sila, pero pag pinanood na nila sa TV sa bahay, nonsense pala ako.
What's the secret of a good spinner? What do you think? To be a good spinner?
You have to know spinner. You have to know a lot of music in the first place.
Okay. So, hindi pwedeng 80s lang, ano?
Oo, at saka kailangan medyo magaling 60s. Timing mo, makikinig ka.
Timing, tama. Dapat nakikinig. No? Hindi yung...
Sino ba yung spinner natin?
Okay, si Montelzan.
Hi, hello.
What's the secret of becoming the best executive producer? Nax.
Knowing what you're trying to do. Again, going back to that whole point, di ba? Na kailangan klaro sa'yo, what are you trying to do?
What do you wanna accomplish?
Yan, what
Klaro
are my
talaga yan.
resources?
Alam na alam ni Miss Cherry yan.
And you have to be
Okay,
prepared.
Diba? Diba? In fact, she's the one who prepares our script, diba?
Hi, Miss Cherry.
Hindi
Yeah, she
pinapasa
called me.
sa kanilang
Tinawagan
scriptwriter.
nga niya